Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make money using this website which basically shortens Reels, and the more clicks you get, the more money you make. Stick around for more. Peace. So yeah, as I said before guys, this website will shorten Reels, and the more clicks you get on these Reels, the more money you will generate for each day. We use it personally for app discovery at the moment to put towards our Apple IDs and other stuff, such as our other projects. But this is mainly for app discovery at the moment, what we use it for. So what you're going to be seeing me doing here is making a brand new account with a new email, and then I will be covering the password, because even though it's a new account, I might use it in the future. And basically, after you do all this, nearer to the end, you'll see how I add my payout method, which is PayPal, and there'll basically be a certain section on the website where you need to go to add your PayPal link. Well, not your PayPal link, your PayPal email. That's all they need, and they'll send it through PayPal themselves. But other than that, all you got to do is copy whatever link you want to shorten, paste it in the shorten link part that comes up when you're in the actual site, and yeah, that's pretty much it. As soon as you put it in there, press the shorten button, it'll give you the shorter link. You share that to your friends, put it under your YouTube videos, however you want to use it really, and the more clicks it gets, the more money you will generate. Obviously you get $1 for free when you first sign up. As you can see now, when I refresh, if I go on my withdraw, you'll see there's $1 in my account. $1. You start with that, but other than that, you'll have nothing until people start clicking on your links. The more people click on your links, the more money you make per click, and the more money you make in general. So I'm going to leave it at this. Stay till the end to see how to add your PayPal to this to be able to withdraw the money. Comment, subscribe and like if this helped you out, and I hope you enjoyed. Peace.
Right now, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit, and yeah.
I'm willing to die for this shit. I'm ready to flip and end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. So my mama ain't want me, she got an abortion, I end up surviving this shit. And if I want a son, I ain't got the money, I'd probably be robbing this shit. Don't know how much I cry for this shit. Said I'm willing to ride for this shit. You know murder's my hobby, inside of my closet's a bunch of dead bodies and shit. Niggas say that I'm cursed, cause I go to church and stare at the Bible and shit. Shorty say I'm the worst, cause I do my dirt, and I don't be hiding this shit. Bitch, I'm a savage, I spit at you bastards, I wonder what you gonna do to me, oh. I need to hear someone rapping, I'm just not impressed by your cash and your jewelry, oh. All you my soldiers, and I'm a lieutenant, goddammit, you should be saluting me, ho. I hope you know I ain't going nowhere, all you rappers just better get used to me, ho. Nigga, I must have blew on my G's, bought me a Jeep, cause I wasn't riding as much. My bank account looking weak, don't look at me, I ain't got time for no fun. Starting to feel like Tyrese, I'm about to trip, and maybe start crying or something. I might just hit up the Smiths, throw me a fit, and wait for my wire to come. Ain't nobody ever show me love when I was coming up, I had to double up, I tell these niggas fucking love before they ride. And they don't really wanna knuckle up, I hit them with the uppercut, I had these motherfuckers running for their lives. Unidentified craft when I'm flying past, I'm an alien standing, and if you look up in the